Hey everyone, so is your Grammarly extension suddenly disabled in your browser? Maybe it disappeared, won't turn on, or the suggestions just stopped appearing. That can be super annoying when you rely on it for writing. In this video, I'll show you several easy ways to fix the Grammarly extension disabled problem and get it working again quickly. All right, first, check if the extension is simply turned off. Open your browser's extensions menu and make sure Grammarly is enabled. If it's disabled, just toggle it back on. Next, try refreshing the browser. Sometimes extensions don't load properly when the browser first starts, and a quick refresh can bring Grammarly back to life. Another common cause is an outdated browser. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Grammarly often requires the newest browser updates to function properly. If Grammarly is still disabled, try reinstalling the extension. Remove the extension from your browser, then download the latest version from the official Grammarly website or browser store. Sometimes cached data can prevent extensions from working properly. Try clearing your browser cache and restarting the browser to see if that fixes the problem. Other extensions can sometimes conflict with Grammarly and disable it. Try temporarily turning off other extensions one by one and see if Grammarly starts working again. And that's it. Most Grammarly extension disabled issues can be fixed by enabling it, updating your browser, or reinstalling the extension. If this guide helped you out, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.